Hello everybody! In this video tutorial we'll look at HTTPS configuration in the RoadRunner. So first of all, on the right side of the screen you may see a full configuration reference regarding to the SSL in the RoadRunner. This configuration key located under the HTTP plugin configuration options. You may find a lot of options here with the descriptions. You may also navigate to the RoadRunner dev site, observe HTTPS, and find more verbose description about all the options. But this tutorial is more practical tutorial. We will try to serve our domain workstation.me with HTTPS. At the moment, as you can see, this site can't be reached. We will not use any Nginx, Apache or other web servers. On the left side of the screen, you may see a terminal which is attached to my virtual machine, which is also attached to the workstation.me domain. And let's have a look at the first configuration. It's just a regular HTTPS with a certificate and a key. So you may get those two from your issuer. For the sake of experiment, I generated these two keys with a make cert tool. So let's try to start RoadRunner with this configuration. As you may see, HTTPS and HTTP servers are successfully started. Let's try to update our page. And here you may see just a regular response, hello world, and Chrome points its site is not secure. It's true because these certificates are self-signed. As you may see, it's just a make cert development certificate. Okay, so we don't have certificates, we don't have we don't want to pay additional money to the issuer. Let's try to use some well-known issuer like Let's Encrypt. To use it, we need to update our configuration. So let's see at the updated configuration. Here you may see that I've deleted key and certificate options and replaced them with Acme configuration options. So here you may see a search dir. This is just a directory where our certificates will be stored. Our email, our change types, and very important option is use production endpoint. So at first, I'll highly recommend to use this option as a false, because we have to try, first of all, that our issuer is available without hitting rate limits. About rate limits, you may find on the Let's Encrypt.org docs rate limits. And as you may see, there are a lot of rate limits. But let's return back to our site. And also you may specify a lot of domains here. Let's check that we don't have this RoadRunner cert dir in our directory. Okay, so nothing. And let's start our RoadRunner with development endpoint. As you can see here, RoadRunner is trying to obtain certificates and certificate obtained successfully. Let's update our page. As you may see here, our page is still not secure because we're using a development version of the certificates. Let's Encrypt. But at the moment, we are sure that our issuer is available. So we can try to use a real certificates. To do this, we'll have to update our configuration and use production endpoint true. Don't forget to remove our old development certificates cache directory. Okay, let's start our known instance once again. As you may see, RoadRunner is trying to obtain certificate, and everything goes fine. And you may see here that HTTPS ACMA server was started. So let's update our domain. And as you may see here, now our connection is secure. Let's check our certificate. As you may see here, common name is our site, and it's Let's Encrypt certificate. Okay, fine. But what happened if I stop the RoadRunner and start it again? Do I need to delete ACMA section to not hit our rate limits or not? You can be safe here, because if you have this RoadRunner cache directory and you have a configuration which points to this directory with the issued certificates, RoadRunner will not hit the rate limits and will not send any requests to the Let's Encrypt. So let's see how it works. We're trying to restart, and RoadRunner just loading managed certificate. So no requests made to the Let's Encrypt endpoint. So we may do this one more time, and as you can see, nothing regarding to the request to the issuer. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.